The look, the grace, and the charm that age has not yet challenged. He looks like the evergreen hero of the yesteryears. And coincidentally, he also shares the most charismatic surname of Bollywood, Kapoor.
No problem at all.
Like the many Kapoors, he too brought smiles on the faces of millions of people. He's the performer in medical circles.
I'm getting a feeling like they're coming for conversation.
He's the living legend of the medical profession. He's the superstar. He is none other than Dr. O.P. Kapoor. The stellar personality who has a terrific fan following of thousands of medical professionals for whom he is no lesser than Asclepius. Post-partition, Dr. Kapoor came to Mumbai. He joined Grant Medical College as a student, and on completion of his studies, he swore to come back to the same place. His passion for teaching is reflected in his unique style and methodology. Coupled with the fact that unlike other classes, his class is known for full attendance.
वो उसकी आंटी डायग्नोसिस किया नेक्स्ट डायग्नोसिस किया गर्लफ्रेंड
The laughter and smiles, along with a chirpy environment in his class, make it hard to believe that a lecture on medicine is on.
husband wife
Randhir Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor also stand testimony to Dr. Kapoor's passion bringing back the smiles on the faces of all his patients.
First of all, I want to congratulate Dr. O.P. Kapoor. He's a father figure of our family. He cannot be a father figure. He has treated my grandfather, my parents, my brothers, my uncles, myself, and my children also.
मैंने तो कभी जिंदगी में डॉक्टर बनना नहीं चाहा। हमारा राइट अंकल कभी आपसे कहा नहीं कि मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ। आपको कौन बोल रहा है अच्छे इतने एक्टर बन जाओ स्टेज पे? आप मेरे पेट में लात मार रहे हो। आपके पेट में लात मारने तो नहीं आया।
It's not just the Kapoors, but to the world at large, he has always been an icon of hope and happiness.
I don't think I've ever enjoyed a lecture more. If I had had a teacher like you, I would probably have been a doctor. As far as Dr. O.P. Kapoor is concerned, he's 80 years old and I think he's more fit than me. पुराने ज़माने में कहते थे teachers हमारे गुरु हुआ करते. You are definitely one of the best that I've seen today. Thank you so much and I hope you can keep on and keep on forever, really.
You guys are fortunate that Dr. Saab out here has been teaching you and giving you lectures. You know, great man with a tremendous sense of humor and absolutely love you and respect you, sir.
Small wonder, he is loved, respected, revered, and literally worshipped. The man who is the star in his field, one who is bestowed upon with unquestionable authority and appreciated for his noble work, finds place in almost all national and regional dailies. Among the many roles as a doctor, mentor, specialist and leader in his field, there's one role which is rarely played by a doctor. The role of a musician. His passion for music led him to kickstart the Bathroom Singers Association. His love for music is reflected in his experiments with music. very experiments resulted in the launch of his own album by Mr. Shankar. Truly, he is the man who lives the most versatile life. He truly lives the lines once sung by late Raj Kapoor.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वही, हम थे जहाँ.